Hello, my name's Peter and welcome to this 35-day meditation challenge. So if you want to know how meditation can benefit you, please look at the rest of the videos I put on this YouTube channel. You'll find out exactly in what specific ways this can help you, like anxiety, depression, stress, trauma, all these sorts of things meditation can help with. So we're going to do 35 days. We're going to do one meditation for 7 days. So keep coming back to the same meditation for the first week, and then we'll go on to the next week. And I'll be releasing this in a 7-day process. Get a piece of paper and a pen and write down your experiences, good, bad, your good thoughts, your recurring bad thoughts, and build up your empirical evidence, i.e. the way that you feel and how this is changing you gradually. And then you're starting to empower yourself to realize that this is actually really working. And I really want that for you, I really do. So do that, make sure, get yourself a piece of paper and a pen and write this down. And we're going to calm down now, and we're going to get into the first meditation, which is an ancient Tao meditation, the golden energy meditation, to try to use our imagination like a child again to get rid of all the excess tension, stress and anxiety out of the body. So if you can straighten your back, chin a little bit down on your chest, relax, most relaxed position you can. Palms can be anywhere really, but really best possibly to put them on your lap. Close your eyes and just become aware of your breathing now. So try and get your breathing a little bit deeper, a little bit deeper. Just try to slow everything down. And let your lower abdomen come out like a baby breathes naturally, and breathing back in naturally. Closing your eyes, everything's slowing down and starting to sink. Now, right above the top of your head, just imagine a great big golden ball of energy. Glowing like the sun. Glowing. Beautiful warm energy now. Focus on that golden energy above the top of your head. Feel the warmth of that golden energy on the top of your head. As the top of your head warms up, we're using our imagination well here. As the top of the head warms up, just allow the 7th chakra to open. The top of your head, right in the middle of the top of your head, and allow the golden energy now to come in through the top of your head. Really imagine it. Imagine this well. Golden energy now filling the top of your head, relaxing all around your forehead, your eyes, on the sides of your eyes, connected to your vagus nerve, going down your cheeks and your lips, and relaxing and releasing all the tension around your lips. Your lips just start to come up at the side, so you get a little smile on your face. Around your chin, like a fist releasing, a tightly clenched fist releasing. Just let it go. The golden energy starting to move around your ears, relaxing and releasing your ears. Everything starts to let go. Start to feel better in your head. It starts to feel clearer as it fills up with golden energy. Coming down your neck now, relaxing and releasing your neck, just letting it go. Everything starts to let go. Around your neck, down your shoulders. Feeling your shoulders starting to drop gently. Relaxing and releasing all the tension in our shoulders. We tend to hold a lot of tension there, so just let them go now. Coming down your forearms to your elbows. Feel your elbows softening them with your mind and the golden energy going in there, using your golden energy imagination to soften your elbows, down your arms to your wrists, softening and relaxing your wrists with the golden energy. Coming down into your hands, filling your hands up now with golden energy that feels relaxing and releasing, starting to let the fingers just flop. Everything starts to let go. You feel the tension when you let them flop. You feel all the tension up your arms. Just let it all go as the golden energy pushes this tension down into your fingertips, and let the old energy, the old preconceptions, old emotions, old conditioning, let it all come out of your fingertips. Breathing in golden energy through the top of your head, pushing out the old energy through your fingertips. Just let it all go. and your breathing becomes slower and deeper. Focus on the golden energy again above the top of your head. Allow it to flow down your spine, relaxing and releasing your spine, the beginnings of your nervous system and your 5 sense reality experience. So let it all go, let all that tension go in your spine. Almost feeling like your spine's melting into the floor, the chair behind you, or if you're lying down on the floor. Coming into your chest, relaxing and releasing your chest. Your lungs start to open up a little bit more. The breath gets a bit deeper as you relax and let go. Coming down into your lower abdomen. Releasing all the tension and stress in our lower abdomen. Coming down into our pelvis and hips, relaxing and releasing our pelvis and hips. Coming down your legs to your knees, relaxing and releasing your knees. Coming down your calves into your heels and your feet. All the way down into your toes. And now old energy coming out of your fingertips and toes. And good energy coming into your top of your head, filling your body with golden energy. Use your imagination, about 3 breaths here. I'll guide you through the breath. So we'll take a long, slow, deep breath in. Fresh energy coming in, and we breathe out the old energy through our fingertips and toes. Breathing in. Really use your imagination well, breathing out. Breathing in. And breathing out. Take a long, slow, deep breath in. Push your belly out like a balloon. Hold it there. Then we're going to lean forward, breathing out through our teeth. Slowly coming back up. Oh, open your eyes gently. How do you feel? Feel better? Good. Rubbing your hands, I feel a lot cleaner and refreshed. So rub your hands. Best way of waking up the body is stimulating the hands. Clap your hands 10 times. Rub your palms together, get some heat in your hands, and then energetically just cleaning your face and your head. Feel how much more refreshed you feel down your arms, down your whole body. Don't have to touch your body, just energetically cleansing the aura. Whoa, feel good. How do you feel? So write down any feelings you had, any reoccurring feelings, how much your mind was taken away from the experience you were actually doing, and any reoccurring bad thoughts that kept coming up. So write them down, and we'll keep a journal for 7 days, and we'll see how this really does change you, and you can see what reoccurring thoughts are coming in and what you need to deal with as issues. So that's really important. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you feel better after this. Don't forget to do this for 7 days, at whatever time you can. Do this for 7 days. That's really important. And then we'll move on to the next meditation next week. If you've got any, please do comment. If you've got anything to say about this meditation, please do comment and share it within the community, because other people are interested in what you got to say. So please do that. No spamming, no. You can put what you want down there. But no spamming. I get a lot of spam stuff here, pushing people onto other websites and things like that. Please don't do that. But do share how you feel. Really, really importantly, do share how you feel. That's really important, because you are just as important as everybody else. And what you experience will be valuable to somebody else. And we've really got to empower ourselves. And this is what meditation does with this. So thank you so much for joining me. Enjoy the 7 days. And I'll see you in the next video. Sarang Hamida.